What did the universe look like before time began? It's a question that sounds like a riddle, but behind it hides one of the greatest mysteries of existence. Because when we say the beginning of the universe, what we're really talking about is the beginning of everything. Not just matter, not just light or gravity or galaxies, but time itself. Before that first flicker of a second, there was no before. Because before is a time word, and time hadn't arrived yet. So, what was there? Most scientists point to a singularity, an unimaginably dense, hot point of energy. So small, it had no size. So heavy, it warped physics itself. Everything that ever existed compressed into nothing. But here's the problem. Physics can't explain what happened at zero. The laws we rely on, gravity, thermodynamics, even quantum mechanics, they all break down. So instead, we guess. We speak of quantum vacuums, a space beyond space, a nothing that's not truly nothing, but a kind of fertile stillness, a void full of potential, not emptiness, but every possible something waiting to happen. In ancient mysticism, they called it the primordial womb, a cosmic still point, a dream before the dream begins. No form, no sound, no separation, just the pulse of potential, waiting for the first choice, the first vibration, the first word. And then it happened. We don't know how. We don't know why. But for some reason, something shifted. The silence broke. A rupture. An unfolding. And time, like a river bursting from stone, began to flow. Energy became matter. Matter became stars. Stars gave birth to planets, to oceans, to life. And suddenly, a universe existed. But here's the part that bends reality. Some physicists believe time is not a straight line. That past, present, and future may all exist simultaneously. That we're simply moving through a larger structure, one we don't yet have the senses to fully perceive. Others believe that time loops. That the end of the universe, entropy, collapse, void, may lead us directly back to the beginning, like a cosmic breath. Inhale, exhale, repeat. So what did the universe look like before time? It looked like nothing and everything. It looked like silence. It looked like God. It looked like your first thought before you knew what thoughts were. A place outside of change, outside of memory, outside of you. But maybe that place still exists. Not in the past, but underneath, beneath this moment, beneath every second that ticks forward. Maybe we've never really left it. Maybe we're just ripples on its surface. Follow hidden parallels for more stories from the edge of time, reality, and thought.